it's fine. Finally today, I'll be showing you my current night skincare routine. This is a highly requested video and I finally have time to record it. My eyes feel so tired already, so I'm going to remove their makeup first. I'm going to use my favorite eye makeup remover to remove the makeup around my eyes. Pour it generously onto the cotton pad. And then I'm going to close my eyes and put the cotton pad up. It's best to press it gently around the eyeline and eyelashes because those areas are usually harder to be reached by the remover. And I'm going to leave it for a few minutes. Now I'm going to rub it off gently. It's easier to remove the falsies as well. For the face, I usually use a cleansing water. I never try other products because this brand is already my top choice for a cleansing water. I will pour it generously onto the cotton pad and start to remove the makeup on my face. This cleansing water is so safe for sensitive skin and it doesn't stain the eyes at all. I will repeat the cleansing part 2 to 3 times until I barely can see any foundation on the cotton pads. And then I'm going to wait a little bit until the skin is a little bit dry before I apply the peeling gel. This is the most gentle peeling gel I've ever tried and is my current favorite. Now I'm going to remove the makeup residue and also the dead skin by rubbing my face gently. I have to rub the area around the eyes more because I always apply extra concealer to cover my dark circles and I don't want the residue to pile up. It will make the fine lines and wrinkles appear more around the eyes. Can you see that? Ew. Alright, I'm going to wash my face now and I'll be back quickly. I'm done with the cleansing step. Now for the skin treatment. First of all, I'm going to apply this retinol toner. I started to use the retinol toner since last year. You know, I already hit 30. I need to pay attention more on anti-aging treatment for my skin. This toner is really gentle, it doesn't sting, and it gives the instant glow on the face. Sometimes when I'm lazy, I just apply this toner and go to bed straight away because it gives my skin enough moisture already. Also apply some on the neck. This is important. Next, I'm going to apply this bifida ampoule. Bifida formula is good for anti-aging and skin rejuvenation. This ampoule is lightweight and it's not sticky at all. You know, some products give that feeling like you are wearing extra layer on your face after you apply the one to your face because the formula is too rich or heavy. This is a Korean thing apparently. Slap the face gently to help the skin absorb the product better. Yes, slap it, girl. Don't forget to apply it on the neck as well. Next, I'm going to apply some lip treatment. Now, I'm going to wear a face mask. I don't particularly wear one brand only, but usually I choose the ones with tea extract because it protects the skin from premature aging, UV damage, redness, and irritation. This face mask has a big size and it can cover my whole face properly. Leave it for 15 minutes while wearing the vline pouch. This is one of my favorite products to keep the face shape. It makes my face look firmer and smaller. It's more affordable than going to the skin clinic, obviously. You're probably wondering, where's the cream? I don't really like to apply face cream at night because I feel like I put on too much product on my face when they don't really need it. It's different if I have some skin problems which need extra treatment, obviously. Too much products on my face just make my face feel hotter and heavy, and it disturbs my sleep instead. Because your natural skin regeneration when you sleep at night is better than anything actually. Do some face massages to reduce fine lines, drawing skin, and smile lines. Use your thumbs and index fingers like this. This is just a quick night skincare routine for you who are too lazy to do the famous 10-step Korean skincare routine. Alright, that's it for tonight. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.